you will not do anything.
That's great advice, man. We need your power. Now, Dr. Mike, what do you think about number 4's power?
He's, due to his work, sometimes we have to adapt the discipline, but his work is like push him to be in the disciplinary things,
Right. Because my duty is starting at 6 o'clock.
Yeah. That's nice.
See, that's a great point right there. That's the kind of power I wish that I had, but I don't have it.
Why? You have to adapt to that one.
Yeah, start from today here. Let's go.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Give me a challenge right now. Give me a challenge, and then in 1 week, let's meet again, and we'll see if I meet my challenge. Give me a challenge.
Okay.
I will ask you one question.
I'm writing down on my diary. It's 8 November. Oh, wait. This one. Yes.
Somebody give me a challenge. Help me. Help.
Which time you are wake up, Mr. Air?
I actually like to wake up about 5:30.
Okay, just you didn't get the sleep after that time?
Yeah.
Sleeping? Are you sleeping after that time?
No, I don't sleep very much. I go to bed late. I wake up early. I don't really sleep very much. But it's affecting my life.
Okay, what about afternoon time, after lunch time?
After lunchtime, what?
You are not sleeping? You are not taking rest?
No. I'm up all the time. I have too much energy.
You are amazing, man.
You don't take a nap?
No, I can't nap. I tried to nap, Mr. Yasser. I tried to nap, but I just can't.
You can, you want, or you don't like to sleep.
I'm just too. I have too much energy. I'm too excited.
I have this problem too.
You
I don't know what to
me
do.
too. Yeah, me too also.
But honestly, I don't like to sleep.
Okay, yes, I agree with you. I don't want to sleep. I don't want to. I want to stay awake. I'm too.
Because
I have
you
a lot
think
of
miss
things to do,
the
and
life,
I don't
right?
have enough time. I don't want to sleep.
Yeah, because I enjoy the life too much. I don't want to sleep.
And you think maybe missed something in
Yeah.
your life,
Miss something.
Maybe you guys
me
you're
too, because I
overeating
don't
sugar or
sleep
caffeine.
during the day.
Wait,
I
Mr.
sleep just maybe 7 or 6 hours.
Yeah.
Wait, Mr. Yasser, please say that again.
I said that maybe you like and Nadia are overeating sugar or caffeine. That's why you're not can't sleep at night or something.
Okay, now I'll be honest with you. I actually don't even drink coffee.
This is not because of this stuff. Since I was a kid, I didn't like it.
I'll be 100% honest with you, Mr. Yasser. I drink coffee only sometimes. It's very rare, though. I usually don't drink coffee, though. And I don't even eat sugar that much.
I think you are addicted to cell phone. Yeah, you can try to force you to turn off your cell phone at 11 p.m. and you can start you can start today, and then you will have the habit. Sleeping earlier, yeah.
Okay, hold on a sec. So, Miss Sherry say.
Can I say?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Who wants to talk?
Nadia
Nadia-san, go for it. Nadia-san, go for it, Nadia-san.
Eren, do you start your day with phone? Eren,
Yes.
I think you have delayed in your connection.
What? Are you serious?
No.
Do you start your day with spending your time on the phone?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, I have problem with internet. Is it okay now?
I think you're okay now. Now, is my mic okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think Nadia
Your
has
voice is clear.
problem.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, Miss Sherry say, what was your challenge for me?
Sorry?
What is the challenge that you have for me?
What
I
is
have a
it?
challenge for you.
Go for it,
So-
Yasser. Give me a challenge, Yasser.
I want you to you should do a physical activity between your work or something. You should do another physical activity to get tired and you can sleep at night. That's my idea.
Okay, wait. So you're saying, for example, after work, I go to the gym or I do something, right?
Yeah, something like that.
And then what time should I turn my cell phone off?
It depends on if you have any appointment the next day or something. For me,
Oh, I see.
when
I-
I
I
have
think-
something next day, I just sleep at 11 or 12.
Oh, I
Yeah.
get you. That's good advice.
I think it's healthy. It's healthy for you to put down your cell phone before 11 p.m. Yeah.
Okay, so now what I'm getting from this, and Dr. Mike, please tell me if I'm understanding this correctly. So the best thing for me to do is after work get some exercise. After exercise, I go about my daily routine, maybe make a voice room, whatever, blah blah blah. But then at 11 p.m., I shut my cell phone off.
Yes. Yeah.
Not turn off, just throw your phone. You have to literally throw your phone.
Also, there is one point, Mr. Ayer, you have to take care about it.
Go for it.
You have to take enough food, because if you are feeling hungry, it will affect you while sleeping. Believe me, you will get not continuous sleep.
I see. That's a good point too.
Yeah. So try to take enough food before you are sleeping. Good wash.
Okay, that's a really good.
Yeah, don't start your day by mobile, The first things that you're doing when you wake up is gonna be your whole things that you're doing it.
But here's the question that I have for you. Here's the reality. So I wake up. My alarm clock is my cell phone. So
No, it's okay. That is okay. It's okay. After that, don't use it. Start a workout, I don't know, reading book, this stuff, cooking, everything. But for 3 hours, you don't use your phone at the start of the day. Because the first. Okay, go.
Okay. But now I agree with you. But now here's my real problem. So I'm asleep. My alarm clock goes off, which is my cell phone. Then I get my cell phone and I turn my alarm clock off. But because my cell phone is in my hand, maybe I'm in my other social media very quickly.
No, don't do that. Turn off your internet, don't use it, and that is all. Don't go on social media.
Oh.
Yeah,
People, they are trying to help you, Mr. Ayer.
I know. You know what? Okay, I'll be honest with you. Because I want to be 100% honest with you. Because I really do appreciate that everybody here is so kind to really give me advice. I actually do want to give myself a 1 week challenge.
You have to adapt yourself, brother.
Yeah, and I actually do want to give myself a 1 week challenge. So from 1 week, so what's the date today? Today is
8th November.
Okay, so next week, November 15th. November 15th. I want to create a voice room, join the voice room, and then I will be honest to say if I was successful or not successful with my challenge.
Okay.
Because I actually think I need, and I think Dr. Mike, you understand this. I need accountability.
Yes, you need it.
I
So
need
that's
like that kind of outside support.
So that's mean you have to promise yourself. You have to promise yourself at 11:30 you have to close all the data.
Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna stop at 11. Okay, but man, this is tough. I don't know if I can even make this promise.
It won't work. I'm telling you, it won't work. You're gonna fail the challenge. You know what? Why?
Why? Tell me why.
You cannot turn off your phone. You have to throw your phone, slap on your face. That will work. No, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm not kidding. It's too hard. It's too hard.
But here, like Dr. Mike said, you should like throw your phone from the window and you stop addiction at all.
Yes, that's the
Dang.
From the window, you like intentionally broke it, and you don't use your phone for 1 week.
And
you
not
will see
literally broke it, but
addiction
just
stop or
throw
something.
away from your bed, from the side of your bed.
No, I have another idea. Like throw it from the window.
It will cost so much money.
Dang, man, you guys are deep. You guys are strong, and that's why I like you guys, because you guys are keeping it real for me.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, man.
I write it down there. It will save your relationship, improve your relationship, improve your sexual health, improve your eyesight, improve your hearing sight, blood cholesterol, kidney issues, heart problems, skincare. You don't need skincare if you sleep at 10.
Dang, that's deep. But hey, my friend, what do you think about this whole topic about detox?
Yes, I agree with all I am obliged to sleep early because I have got a need in the situation to perform the activity, but actually, I'm taking myself to be in a good health, to be seen and complete with them. When I have work, I should sleep early.
I agree with you.
Everyone, I have to go. Bye.
Bye, honey, you're awesome.
Bye.
We also team see you.
Bye, Nadia.
I need to say, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, so I'm gonna actually have to close this room right now because I have to make my dinner. But I just really want to say, one thing. I really want to say thank you to everybody because usually I create voice rooms and we're just talking, and it's fun. But this is like the first time where I felt like, okay, you know what? Everybody here really believes in me and they're really supporting me and they really want to help me overcome my addiction.
Sleep at time. Sleep at
Yeah,
time.
and-
Sleep around.
Yeah,